it your pride or is it your soul? Only you can look into it like a mirror, because when I step up to that mirror it asks, who are you? I gracefully answer, I am the woman, I am the daughter, I am the soul of Africa. I am all that you see and I'm all that you seek. Africana ngikuhambile ngehla ngenyuka, izinto engizibonayo zihlahlamelisa umzimba. Ingane zakho ziyahlukunyezwa, ingane zakho ziyahlukumezana. Ngithanda ukuzithandabuza, kanti yini into edala umuntu? Ngabe ukuziqhenya, ngabe isidima noma umphefumulo wakho? Kuwe kuphela somandla waziyo, ngoba nangithi ngiyasondela kulesi sibuko sophila. Siyangibuza wena ubani, ngibesane ngimomotheke ngiphendule, mina ngiyintombi, mina ngiyintokazi. Nginguye umphefumulo ka-Africana. Aniziboni ukuluka, aniziboni ubukhosi, aniziboni na ubuhle wema-Afrika. Searching for a place where we could be free. Searching for a place where we could find love. Long time we've been wandering this land, searching for a place where we could be free. Searching for a place where we could find love. Oh, we're searching for the place. I say, long time we've been wandering this land. Since our ancestors, we've been walking up and down, searching for the freedom of the heart, searching for the freedom of the soul. We're searching for the place, searching for a place where we could find love. We're gonna take a short break and then we'll be right back.